at ADP are the French specialists in herbalism and phytotherapy. Today, IT security is one of the major issues faced by our business. So it was important for us to alleviate this security problem. And we realized that we couldn't do it alone anymore, and that we had to surround ourselves with specialists to ensure the security of the company, IT-wise. We had been infected with a virus, a cryptovirus, which didn't do much damage, but alerted us to the security problem we were facing. And recently, we experienced a major attack, which impacted the company for over 2 weeks, as we were in the middle of changing servers at the time. Konica Minolta already had a partnership with our business because we were using their photocopiers and printers. We were regularly in touch with them, and the conversation had turned to IT. During the time we were impacted by the cryptovirus, one of their team visited ADP with their engineers. We went through the laboratory's needs, including for IT. We defined the specifications, which revealed that the Workplace Hub solution was the right one for ADP. The problem that we had was with daily manufacturing, which meant that if we outsourced our server, we risked loss of production, and the IT infrastructure might not hold up. The Workplace Hub solution has the advantage of being hybrid, meaning that for us, it is important to have one part outsourced while still being able to keep our company infrastructure in-house. We don't have an IT department, and the solution allows us to outsource IT management and day-to-day maintenance of our system to Konica Minolta. Today, Konica Minolta has the advantage of having teams near us who can rally quickly if needed. Data security with a daily backup of our data in a data center, which allows us to face any potential incidents by recovering and restarting the company systems very quickly. It is a great advantage for us to be able to delegate this to Konica Minolta. We have a fixed rent for the next 5 years without risking additional IT costs. As directors of an SMB that employs 50 people and does not have an IT department, what matters to us is to be able to sleep easy. And the solution offered by Konica Minolta gives us the guarantee that, should a problem arise, we'll be back on track very quickly. And indeed, that has allowed us to sleep at night.